Longhorn beetle larvae are rich in fat and protein. Unfortunately, they are mostly hidden deep in the wood, much too deep for the beak of a crow. Looks like all it needs is a bit of poking around, but that would only push the larva deeper into the trunk. No, one needs to irritate and annoy it until it bites. That's the trick. A magnificent catch. The crow knows exactly how to do it and what to use. If you want to fish, it's best to make your own rod, even if it takes a bit of effort. And everyone should have learned how to use it. Annoy the maggot until it bites.